fam, thank you for coming back and watching another one of my videos. If this is your first time, welcome, and after you have watched the video, please go ahead and subscribe and like and become a part of this family. If you are already a family member, I love and appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Mwah! Okay, fam, if you are having a wedding or you know someone that is having a wedding right there on the beach and they need an idea for a centerpiece, I have just the idea for you or for them. Okay, the supplies you will need for this tutorial are: you would need a bag of rocks, a bag of reindeer moss, a bag of shells, one glass vase, a decorative rope, 3 candle holders in this style, and 2 candle holders in this style, and a LED candle. And don't forget your scissors and your glue gun. You ready? Let's get started. Okay, first we're going to glue our shells to the bottom of our vase. Okay. Now we're going to glue our rope right in the middle of our vase. Okay, we're going to drop our rocks right down inside our vase. And put our LED light right inside. And I forgot to, they're just sitting here looking so cute. I forgot to tell you to purchase some birds. Okay. Make sure this is straight. And then we're going to glue this right on top of our candle holder. Okay. We're going gonna set this to the side and let it dry. Okay, now we're going to glue this candle holder on top of our clear candle holder. Make sure it is straight. Okay. We're going to add our moss inside it. Okay, we're going to add a candle on top. Okay. And we're going to take a piece of our rope. And we're just going to add a piece of rope right here. Okay. Then we're going to add some of our seashells right inside. And then we're going to glue our little bird right on this side. We're going to take this little clip off. We're going to put some glue right at the bottom of our little bird. And we're just going to glue him or her. Okay, what I want to do is I want to add a champagne glass and some tea lights and an LED light to my centerpiece. And I just want to bring some height to this middle centerpiece. There we go. Ooh, 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 it's not glued on good. Gotta add some more glue. Lots and lots of glue. Now sit it on top. Hold it. Okay. Then we're going to take some of our rope and we're just going to glue it to the bottom of our champagne bottle. Okay, then we're going to take our LED light. We're going to put it right under here. That way it will bring light to the entire centerpiece. And we're going to take our LED light and we're just going to add it right inside of our candle holder. Watch out for our little birdie. Then I'm just going to add, I guess, a small one. Add a small seashell back here just to camouflage our little rope. We gotta camouflage our little flaws. Okay. This is a great centerpiece if you're having a outdoors ocean wedding. Give it a thumbs up, a like, and come back and watch another one of my centerpiece. Okay, this is what this beautiful centerpiece will look like at night. I think it really turned out gorgeous.